In this video, I will show you how to fix Life360 not working. So there are a couple of things that you can do to make this app working again, and I'm just going to show you the best things that you can do. So let's start off with the first thing, and that is by closing the app. And by closing the app, I mean closing it completely. So swipe up and then access everything that you have opened in the background, and then make sure that you close the app completely, and then try to reboot the app and see if it's working right now. If it still isn't working, then we're going to move on to the next thing, and that is by going to our settings. And from our settings, we're going to our applications, and in our applications, we're going to type in Life360. So let's do this. And then in here, there are also a couple of things that we can check in order to make this app working. And something that's really important with the Life360 app is your location services. This is an app that uses location all the time, so it works the best when you have the location access set to always, because otherwise this will cause the app to not work and not be able to register your location, and then it's not visible for other people. So put this on always and make sure that your precise location is turned on as well. So right now you can close the app again and see if it is working right now. And if it still isn't working, then check your cellular data. So you can also go to your apps from there, and then go to your cellular data in the same section and make sure that this is enabled as well and that you do not have low data mode selected in your cellular data. And you can change this in your cellular data settings, because low data mode will cause your app to pause your location. So if you do not want that, then put it on something that's not in low data mode, and then you should be good on the cellular data thing as well. If it still is not working, then you might also check your Wi-Fi section and your Wi-Fi settings, and maybe try connecting with a different network and seeing if that will work. If you have done all of these things, you can check if the app is working right now, and if it still isn't working, you can also try to reboot your phone, because maybe it is an issue with your device. And after you've done that, in most cases, your app will work fine again. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.